rock with me, feel his weight settle exactly where I need to be. My knees climbing sides, guiding him in place. His breath hits my lips and my pulse starts to chase. Around my thighs tight, drawing them low. Every inch closer makes the whole world glow. His chest on mine, our hearts collide. I lift my hips just to feel that slide. When I'm underneath the fire, I can't stay still, pressing him tighter, bending him to my will. Every push, every pull, God, it lights me alive. I whisper fuck yes on every rise, holding his back as I pull him near. I meet every movement without any fear. I arch from the sheets, chasing his heat. Lips on my neck, turn my breath incomplete. My hands dig deep, locking into his spine, telling him wordless what I wanna be mine. He tried to hold steady, but I shift my hips and feel his whole rhythm fall into my grip. My legs tighten up, pulling him in. My voice breaks off as the fire begins. When I'm underneath the fire, I can't stay still, pressing him tighter, bending him to my will. Every push, every pull, God, it lights me alive. I whisper fuck yes on every rise, holding his back as I pull him near. I meet every movement without any fear. I tune my hips up to catch every beat, my fingers in his hair pulling down the heat. I breathe his name out right against his ear, telling him don't stop, keep me right here. The whole room shakes with the sound of my breath. I swear he can feel me burning under his chest. When I'm underneath the fire, the night turns red.